So I'm at the pool and it started raining. We're gonna stay in here until it's lightning. But after that, it's detox time. What's good, people? Want to come at y'all with a quick update, you know what I'm saying, about the color. Of course, that's one thing. The color, we still in there good, you know what I'm saying. I still like the way it's looking, you know what I'm saying. I ain't got no problems with it, you know. Still got my fiery red on there, you know what I'm saying. I'm just about to wash it. Left the pool not too long ago, so that's that. I was gonna do a detox, got ready for it, realized I ain't got no baking soda.
Have you ever lost something? Thought you looked everywhere for it, and come to find out that your dumbass didn't look everywhere for it, and someone else found that shit for you, and now you just looking stupid, cause all you had to do was open one thing, and it was in your face. Lo and behold, your dumbass.
Other than that, I started a new job. I start that Monday. So I'm gonna be having more time to hit y'all with these videos. I'm gonna be doing other things, like as far as the music that you hear right now, I'm making these loops and intro music, these little jingles. If y'all want to check that out, you can go ahead and hit the link. You know what I'm saying? And as far as any songs that y'all making, you a song artist, writer, singer, rapper, all that shit. If you want your shit shown on my video, heard on my video, with the link in the description and all that, go ahead and hit me up, man. I got you. You know what I'm saying? I'll let you know what it is, how it go, and we can go from there, you know what I'm saying? Boom, boom. Upcoming videos, I'm going to do another how to make locks video. I'm going to do that. And of course, I have a mature locks video as far as questions about what's going on when your locks are maturing, when it starts budding, and what that can look like or what that means. It could start budding at the tip or at the base, and boom, 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 what you should worry about and what you shouldn't worry about. You know what I'm saying? Also coming, I got tips for in between the retwists, taking care of that frizz, you know what I'm saying? Handling that frizz control for interviews, meetings, dates, social gatherings, shit like that. You want to be not looking like this, but you want to be, you know what I'm saying, looking decent. I got some tips on how to get that together. Another thing I got coming in, I got this gaming channel, you know what I'm saying, if you haven't already heard of it. You know what I'm saying? RNGP, Real Nigga Gameplay. I'm playing games that I can get for right now until I can get some more, you feel me? But right now I'm playing that Far Cry, so if you want to tune into that, I try to put up like at least 3 a week, you know what I'm saying? I put it up live, so you can catch it live. But you know what I'm saying, that's how I do it for right now until I start taking them down, editing them, chopping them up if I need to, you know what I'm saying? I'm start doing the custom thumbnails, all that. I'm getting that together. If y'all want to check that out, go ahead and check that out. And I appreciate all y'all for watching, liking, subscribing, tuning in, sharing, all that, bruh. Like, I be putting it on the Facebook, the Instagram, the Snap, all that shit. Y'all be on it. I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying? But until next time, if you got any questions for me, you got anything y'all want to send out to me, you know what I'm saying? Information y'all lacking, y'all need me to get on for you, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. You feel me? Hit me up. All that links in the description. So until next time, this is your boy. Had to hit y'all with the update. Keep it locked, keep it healthy, and I'm out. Peace.